I can't make this crap up, man. I can't make this crap up, man. You know where I am? Look where I'm at. I'm in the side of the road, broke down. The Mule broke down once I took it to the Carmax repair shop. This is the car. It has power. Now let me put my foot on the brakes. Let me try to turn it on. Oh look, it did something to me. Oh, it turned on and it turned up again. Good Lord. Let me try to shut the windows down so okay, you guys can hear this. Let me do it again. I'm gonna hit the push start button. Goodness gracious. And after you try like 2 or 3 times, it just doesn't start. It quit. It just quit on me. Alright guys, so the rep came to talk to me, came to see the car. He saw the symptoms. I was telling him, like, what's funny is that I was just reading that Ford had a callback on these for malfunctioning fuel pump or something that causes like the fuel pump not to work or something like that. And from what it seems, it sounded like the engine is getting no gas because it cranks until it gets tired and it resets itself. And then it has the freaking brake light on. I don't know why. If they just did work on the brakes, they literally did four new rotors, and I don't think they did pads, but they did the 4 rotors, front and back, and this happens. So that's the story, guys. Look, let me go outside, show you a little bit. See where I am? See, okay, so now you can see the Carmax. That's the Carmax right there. That's a little road you come into. I went in here, it stalled, and then I went all the way up to here, the middle right there. And from there, I had to roll back because people was almost freaking hitting me. And I could feel somebody was gonna hit me. So I was causing a line already because people freak. They don't know how to drive, man. I don't think it's just New York. I'm over here in Connecticut and then people still don't know how to drive. God damn. Look, people are coming in way too fast here. Anyway, that's my story. The Mule is currently stuck outside. When I bought this car, it didn't have no carpets, and carpets. And Carmax was kind enough to give me generic, brand new ones. Ain't that dope? And they washed my car when I went for service. That is so cool. But then the Mule broke down. I was happy. I have 4 new rotors. It still has slight vibrations and it's way quieter than before, but it still has a little slight like cabin pressure noise. I don't know if you guys actually felt that, but I drive these vehicles in my job almost every day, so I know how they're supposed to feel at 60 miles per hour, 60 to 70. So yeah, it's just crazy. Oh, I forgot to say, they are working on getting me a loaner, but that means I have to, I took a day off to come to the service because strategically they don't work on Saturday or Sundays. So they make you either choose. Either you bring it, lose a day of work, and come to service, or just don't come back. That's not good. That's not good. There she is. They're gonna pick her up. It's unbelievable. Nobody can believe me. Yep, there she goes. The mule is he's on it. Yep. And in front of the Hyundai dealer, ain't that something? Hyundai, give me a car, please. Thank you. Up and away! All right, they bringing it back to Carmax. Ay, ay, ay. There you go. That's my baby. She looks so beautiful though. Ah, damn. Only because she's beautiful, I might keep it. Other than that, shit, I think I should return it. There you go. See, Carmax service. They're all gone now. Where are they? I didn't want to show their face. Being too embarrassed. This work is nonsense. But there she is. My lovely mule. Check it out, y'all. My rental. My baby's right there. And here's my rental, guys. This is my luxury rental. I got a Chevy Equinox. Okay, guys, so I am in the rental, as you can see. I'm in the Equinox, which it looks pretty nice. There goes the mule. The mule is out of commission. I'm guessing it's the fuel pump that malfunctioned. Although, I have to say, when I let it rest for like a little bit, it actually started for like 2 seconds and then it dropped again. There goes my children's car seats. I transfer everything. Put in my Easy Pass and my charger right there. The only thing left to do now is just to go back home and try to relax. Been a very long day. My God. So, just to sum it up, I broke down just leaving the dealership. The car was 100% good. I had all full new rotors. It was braking good. The vibrations were minimal, but there were still vibrations, which I was gonna come back and talk to the manager and have, but I wanted to talk to my sales rep, which he disappeared at the end there. But magically reappeared like when I broke down, so it worked out, I guess. So I broke down, they had a tow truck bring me back to Carmax. He said I was the first customer that he ever towed that just came out of the shop. And so close to it, which is amazing. He was laughing the whole entire thing. I didn't want to record him too much, so he don't feel uncomfortable. But yeah, that's what he said. Now it's time to get out of Connecticut and go back to the Bronx. I thought the Bronx was hectic, but damn, Connecticut. My Connecticut people, where you at? Good Lord. Give me a break here, guys. Jeez. Okay, let's go. Wow, I'm doing 60. It didn't even feel like it was 60. Ooh, not good, not good. Ooh, you guys hear that? Jesus. This car needs some help. Okay, we are moving now. But look at the sky, though. Ooh, nature, you are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. To me. Damn. I'm rusty, guys. I'm a little rusty. We are moving. See you guys later.